Here's the results of photos that I got from screen grabs from a video clip. Here's how I did it. And this is going to act like a tripod. If you have a tripod, obviously you can use that. In case it isn't obvious, there's a window right here. So you want to find somewhere that there's lots of natural light and somewhere where the whole family can sit.
I am going to treat this as if a professional photographer is coming over and take 5 minutes to dump all my clutter from one room to another and hide cords.
Into video, and we're going to click on this HD up here. Click on that, and that's in 4K now. This is so that the resolution is much higher when we take our screen grabs. So I also have a sock, so if you need to adjust the tilt on the phone, just use the sock. With my legs crossed and facing up so that I'm not sinking into the back of the bed like this.
1. Pretend the camera is there if you want. Candid looking photos. 2. Fake laugh to get natural smiles.
And you can use this bottom bar here to drag to find the different points. Tap the screen so that all this menu settings goes away. And you're going to screen grab by pushing the volume up bar and this bar on the side. And add whichever filter you like. My personal favorite is the bright one. It adds really nice warm and bright hues to the photo. If you prefer more of a moody aesthetic, black and white.